So guys, welcome back to a new video. As you can see, we're not where we used to be. That's why this video gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna talk about the easiest modification you can do to F30 if you are like a guy, you want a nice car but you don't know anything about cars. So this is a video for you beginners that wanna get into car or just wanna do some easy modification to your boring BMW. And if you like this type of videos, you should make sure to subscribe and like and share the video. And let's get into this. So, as many thought, the first modification that are very easy to do is to get a front lip. Now mine is very damaged. But one reason why this is so easy, you just need a couple of screws. Maybe you have to rise up the car if you have lowered it, but if you are a beginner you probably haven't lowered it. So just lift up your car, you just gonna make sure so the fitment is okay, and just tap in all the screws and it's gonna stick there. Even if you don't believe it's just very small screws, it's actually gonna stick very good. I have tried so many different style of fitting a front lip with like screws and a nut on the other side. The short screw are the best method actually, for at least if you have a front lip like this, and it also make a huge different. I mean, the front on a BMW is very boring without the front lip, and it can really change the look a lot. So the next modification you can do to your car is to just change the wheels. And if you feel unsure about buying wheels, like I don't know the size, I don't know how wide it can be, what tire, it's so easy to buy wheels today. Any website, you can just tap in your registration plate or like your model of the car, and if you know the year and model, that's great. And they're gonna show you all the wheels that fit. And if you really feel unsure like I did the first time, just call them, email them, ask what tire, what wheels can I have to my car, because wheels does a big difference on a car. It really does. I mean, look, it looks so much better than the like OEM M Sports wheels you're getting from the factory. So like I said, if you feel unsure to buying wheels, just call your local company or just drive over to the local tire shop. If you don't know how to like change your wheels, I can actually understand people feel like, it feels scary, I have never touched a car before. If you have the money, or if you really want to spend that money, you can also just order the wheels and go to your, like I said, your tire shop. They will change it for you for like $50 maybe. It's a little bit more expensive here in Sweden, but if you live in the US, it's probably way cheaper to just ask them, can you swap out my tires, and they will gladly help you. So to the third modification, that's are probably the easiest one so far, is actually the mirror caps. The mirror caps can look very boring when they are OEM, like the round thing. And if you want to have more like sporty look or the M3 look, you should really change your mirror caps. And it comes in carbon fiber, black. You can also get them in matching color to your car. And what is the last? Fogged carbon fiber is a little bit more expensive, but it looks great if you have like a fog carbon fiber lip and side skirts, and it makes a really nice difference. I'm gonna show you a picture or video right now, the difference. and overall it makes, I don't know, it just changed the look to a very, very sporty and aggressive look on the F30. I mean, look. It looks so much better than the OEM ones. It really does, and it costs nothing. Those ones are from Amazon, and I have used them for 2 years, and the paint looks great, and they cost 30 bucks, and it takes 5 minutes to install. It's really that easy. I of course gonna link all the videos of all modification. I have videos like how to do. So to the next. So to the third one, I actually forgot to record outside, is the Emblem. So if you have bought like a second-hand car and your emblem is really scratched like mine was, obviously you want to buy a new one, and you actually don't have to buy like OEM one. You can buy copies from eBay. They will not hold up as long as the OEM one. I have started to lose some color, but they only cost like 30-50 bucks, so you can just buy one new every season. Or maybe you're just a lucky one who got one that has really good quality. And the good thing with Emblem, you can match with colors. So if you have a red car, you can get red and black emblems. If you have a blue one, you can get blue and white. If you have a black one, you can get the full black emblem. I went for the 50th anniversary because I thought it matched really good to the silver. And it's really cheap to do, and it's actually does very much the look on the car. It really pops when you see someone that has a really clean and nice emblem on the car. So to the last thing, we're only gonna cover 5 today. I can, if you really like those videos, I can make a part 2 because there are some more easy modifications you can do on this. It's just not 5. Anyway, the wing. As you can see, I have the wide body wing. It's not that double side wing, but if you want to do the easiest one, you can just buy the regular one because it just sticks with double side tape. It's so easy to install. Just make sure to line it up on both sides when you install it, and make sure to use 3M double side tape and not like a cheap copy, so it's not blowing away when you're driving in like 90s. And the reason why I didn't went for the easy wing with double side tape is because I'm probably gonna go for a wide body kit on this car anyway, and I didn't like that wing that just sticks with double side tape because everyone uses it, and I wanted something unique. But if you want something easy, go for that wing, and you don't have to make holes or anything, so you won't damage your trunk or anything. It's very nice that it's just double side tape, and it comes in different shapes. Some are like longer, sticks out much longer, and some are very short. You can buy them in color, you can buy them in black and carbon fiber, so it's like a taste for everyone. And I think this is the 5 modification you should start with, because when you have the wheels, front lip, mirror caps, the wing, it looks very sporty, and you can of course add some more after that, but we can talk about that in the part 2. And like I said in the beginning, if you like those type of videos, make sure to subscribe and like and share the video. It helps me a lot, and I will see you next Sunday. See ya.